Hello, fellow traders. Welcome to another episode. Today I'm showing you live. We are expecting some news from the USD. Now, as I've said, we can predict the news not because we are wizards. Most likely, the news will be good for the USD, and this is based on how the price on the market is structured. And there it is. You see, that doesn't mean that I am a wizard. Of course not. We have already our short position on Euro USD. This is an account that I'm trading, my live account, for the purposes of this series. I'm already short, and now I know that there must be some volatility in the market. And now check what is the sentiment analysis. Most 80% of the traders are long on Euro USD. We have taken a position against them. We are short. This doesn't mean necessarily that we will be accurate on our position. Now we'll see. Let's see the volatility in the market. But I have also done the same in another example in the non-farm payrolls, and now I want you to do the same to show you how the market might not always move in your favor, of course not, and why you can predict the prices in some major, let's say, news. If you know how to read the fundamental news, and if you see that the USD is becoming stronger and stronger, so you will probably guess, you will probably understand that the USD will become stronger and stronger, not because of the news, no, because the news will be good. And the reason that the news will be good is that we can see that your currency is becoming stronger and stronger, and that's how you can make a prediction. Of course, you never trade the news. No, this is not what I'm saying. But many times you might be in a situation that you probably stuck in a trade, and most likely you need to wait for the news and see the outcome of the news. This might be difficult for you to decide because the news are not always clear. Of course, in this case, we didn't have so important news like interest rate decisions or non-farm payrolls or any other significant events. We have, for sure, we have some events that move the market, and this is very clear. We can see it in how it's working. But the main idea of when you are trading, that's why I told you it's very important, more important or less important, it doesn't matter. But it's not only the technical analysis or some kind of indicator that will show you on how to trade in each moment. For sure, I totally agree. An indicator can make your method more mechanistically. You can be more sure that when the indicator goes at this point or to the other point, you will be sure that you will exit or enter the point. I do not disagree with that. Unfortunately, in my opinion, it's better to not use indicator, not at all. Of course, if you're familiar and you want to use an indicator, this is up to you. Now, check the market. I won't keep it for too long, but we will see the reactions in live markets when we have already a trade. Of course, our stop loss is too far from this because it's already calculated. But the main idea when you see some major events is to understand what would be the potential outcome. Of course, you do not trade. This is pure gamble. You don't know what the trades are. You don't know what the news would be or the interest rates. for now, for the period that we are speaking, the Fed most likely will increase interest rates because we see the inflation is going higher and so on. Of course, we don't know that. We are not sure. We are not trading the news. You don't know the outcome of the news. Never. But this is a case that we are already in a trade. We are stuck in a trade. This is the account that I'm tracking for you, for my subscribers. So you see that there are some cases that you need to understand how to react before the news drop the market, and when the news drop the market. You should be ready and give the proper attention. Also, in this case, when you know that the market will be volatile, give some air to your trade. Let it to breathe a little bit, if I could use that definition. I won't keep you long. I just want to see you some live markets. Of course, in this channel we are always trading in live markets, and that's why we have created this live account. This live account is for you, for my subscribers. All the profits will go to you. But this is how to. This is because I wanted to show you. And in the I have also done one video for the non-farm payrolls. And I didn't predict the news of that month, even though I knew that fundamentally the USD would become stronger. So what happened in the next period? The next non-farm payrolls were significantly much better. Of course, I didn't trade the news. No, I wanted to show you what might happen in a case that you probably need to trade because you are already in a trade, or in case that you need to do some adjustments in your trading because the news will increase volatility in the market. So for example, the first thing that you need to do is to increase your stop loss, to leave your trade to breathe a little bit. Again, if you are stuck in a trade, I have said that many times, trades is like a relationships or a marriage. It's very easy to get stuck into, but it's very hard to disengage. I won't keep you longer. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope I'll see you in the future, and trade safe.